550 kilometers of sea territory. With that vast territory, China certainly must have a strong military fleet to secure its territory. As a defense component, the bloc has a number of high-tech combat aircraft. The Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon is one of them. Created by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Company, the J-20 is one of only 4 operational stealth aircraft in the world. Three other stealth aircraft in the world are owned by the United States, U.S., namely Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit, Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor and Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. According to data from Warshina.com, the stealth aircraft development program actually started in China at the end of 1990. Initially, this program was called the JXX and the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Company won the